Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Nadine Doreza.
Good evening, everybody. We may pretend that we don't face those obstacles and front it really, really well, but sometimes it's quite hard work being a woman, isn't it?
It's great to be here to celebrate the second Women in Business Awards. I used to say, respond somewhat tetchily, I believe in equal pay and will carry my own equipment. Nowadays, it's how kind, thank you so much. In those days, nobody expected much from women at work or in society.
It means a huge amount, as I say, because it kind of gives me the potential, this is the start.
So work-life balance, is there such a thing?
There is such a thing. I have a good team. I have a great team. Actually, it just inspires me to do more.
Absolutely. I think we've been very successful this year, which has been great. But I think acknowledgement as a woman in business is nice, not just for me, but for the team.
I hope you've had a great time. Thank you again, and good night.